Hi students, welcome back to our science class. Do you remember which chapter we were studying? Yes, we were studying the chapter Animal World, that is lesson 2 Animal World. Did you read the textbook? Did you go through the lesson? I hope everyone is now thorough with the lesson. So today we will discuss about the textbook exercises. Do you know why the textbook exercises are given? It is given to test our knowledge, to test our own knowledge whether we have understood the chapter in detail or not. Okay, so now we will discuss the questions that are given at the back of the lesson. So we are going to discuss it. So everyone please be ready with your textbook and a pencil. Remember, whenever you write in your textbook, you have to use only pencils. Okay, so be ready with the textbook and pencil. We will discuss the questions one by one. Take page number 91. So the first section of question is oral question. The first section of questions are oral questions. You don't have to write the answers. You just listen to me. Okay, you just listen. You don't have to write the answers. The first question, why do animals live in different types of habitats? Why do animals live in different types of habitats? Yes, this is because different animals have different body features. So they have to choose their habitat according to their body features. That is why all animals live in different habitat. They choose different habitat according to their body features or their body characteristics. Second question, how does the body covering of an animal help it? How does the body covering of an animal help it? Yes, the body covering of an animal help it to survive with the extreme climatic conditions. It helps them to survive in the extreme climatic conditions. The next question is science quiz. Question number 1. Name the different types of habitat. Can you name any two habitats? Yes, forest and desert. Please write down forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, then desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, forest and desert. Please write down. Then the second question, name any two animals that are found in polar regions. Name any two animals that are found in polar regions. Yes, penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin, then seal, S-E-A-L, seal. These are the two animals that are found in polar regions, penguin, then seal. Next, take page number 92. Tick the correct options. So, when I read the correct answer, you have to tick the answer. Okay. The first question, a camel stores fat in the dash. Where does a camel store fat? Yes, it is in its hump. So, put a tick mark against the option A, that is hump, H-U-M-P, hump, H-U-M-P, hump. Second question, penguins are found in dash. Where are penguins found? Which are the options given? Look up the option. Forest, polar regions, deserts. So where are the penguins found? The penguins are found in polar regions. So put a tick mark against polar regions. Penguins are found in polar regions. Next question, third question. This animal changes its body color according to its surroundings. Options, option A dog, option B camel, option C chameleon. So which is the animal that changes its color according to its surroundings? It is option C chameleon. It is option C chameleon, C-H-A-M-E-L-E-O-N, chameleon. Chameleon is the animal that changes its body according to the color of the surrounding, and there is a name for that process. Do you remember the name for that particular instance? Yes, it is called camouflage. Camouflage is the ability of an organism to merge with the surrounding. So the correct answer is chameleon. You put a tick mark against chameleon. Now the next set of questions. Write T for true and F for false statements. The first statement, polar bear and seal are found in deserts. Polar bear and seal are found in deserts. Are they found in deserts? No, the statement is false. It is a false statement. You put an F there. It is a false statement. So where are this polar bear and seals found? They are found in the polar regions. They are found in polar regions. They are not found in deserts. So put a false. Put an F against that sentence. Put the F in that particular column. Now the second question. Tortoises and turtles have hard shells. Yes, the tortoises and turtles have hard shells. So the statement is true. Put a T on that block. It is a true statement. You put a capital T. Now, the third question. A lion changes its color to match the surroundings. Do a lion change its color to match the surroundings? No, na? It has a permanent color. It has a permanent color. It does not change its color with the surroundings. So the statement is false. It is a false statement. You put an F there. It is a false statement. Put an F against the statement. Now, the fourth question. A starfish moves with the help of tube feet. Is the statement true? Yes, it is a true statement. A starfish moves with the help of tube feet. Put a true, put a capital T in that box. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words. Some desert animals bury under the ground to keep themselves dash. To keep themselves warm or keep themselves cool. What is the climate of the desert? We know that in desert region it is very hot. It is extremely hot climate. Why? This is because there is scarcity of rainfall. There is no rainfall in the desert, or we can say that there is lack of rainfall. So the temperature will be very high. It will be very hot during the daytime. So what the animals will do? They will bury themselves in the sand to keep themselves cool. So the answer for the question is, some desert animals bury under the ground to keep themselves cool. So underline that, cool, C-O-O-L, cool, to keep themselves cool. Next question. Bear and crow are called dash. Options, carnivores, omnivores. What is the food of bear? What is the food of crow? They eat both plants and animals, right? They eat both plants and animals, or plant food and animals. So they are omnivores. They are omnivores. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S. They are omnivores. Next question. Crabs breathe with the help of dash. Skin, gills. So, which is the breathing organ in crabs? We know that crabs are aquatic animals. That is, they live in water. They are aquatic animals. So, they breathe with the help of gills. G-I-L-L-S. They breathe with the help of gills. So, the breathing organ in crabs are gills. Next, tortoises have dash to crawl on land. Tortoises have dash to crawl on land. Options are short legs, then webbed feet. Which is the answer? Which is the correct answer? The tortoises have short legs. They have short legs. Short legs. Tortoises have short legs to crawl on land. What is the help of webbed feet? The webbed feet helps in swimming, right? It helps in swimming. So the answer for this question is short legs. Tortoises have short legs to crawl on land. Next, very short answer questions. The next set of questions are very short answer questions. Name any two freshwater animals. Can I name two freshwater animals? Yes. Fish, then frog. Fish and frog are examples of two freshwater animals. These are the two examples for two freshwater animals. They are fish and a frog. Next question. Name any two animals that have thick fur on their bodies. Why do animals have thick fur on their bodies? Do you remember? Yes, they have thick fur to protect their body from extreme cold climate. They are given this thick fur to protect their body from cold climate or to keep their body hot. So, two examples are a sheep and a bear. Sheep and bear. B-E-A-R. It's not bear, it is bear. Sheep and bear are two animals with thick fur. Now, the last question of the very short answer questions. Name the organ for breathing in insects. Which are the organs of breathing in insects? Do you remember? We have studied about the breathing organ of cockroach. Which is the breathing organ? It is spiracles. S-P-I-R-A-C-L-E-S. Spiracles. Spiracles are the breathing organs in cockroaches. Okay, so that is about the fill in the blanks and short answers. Now we have some short answer questions. We have already written in the notebook all these answers. Anyway, we will discuss it once again. So, did you finish all these answers? So, we will discuss their answers once again. What is a habitat? What is a habitat? A habitat is the area in which an organism lives. A habitat is the area in which an organism lives. We have already written all this in the notebook. Again, we are just revising. Second question. What are amphibians? What are amphibians? The animals or the organisms which can live on both land and water are called amphibians. Next question. Camels are adapted to the desert regions. Some people take them to different cities, especially those having sea beaches, for joy rides and entertainment and earn money from them. What features help a camel to survive in desert? Do you remember the features? They have a hump which help them to store food and water. They have long legs with padded feet which help to walk on the sand. Then, is it right to shift animals from their natural environment to other places? No, it is not good because the organisms or the animals are adapted to their particular habitat. So, when we take them from one habitat to another, what will happen? It will be harmful for the animals. They will find it difficult to survive in the new environment. Next, why do animals migrate? Why do animals migrate? Animals migrate from one place to another for breeding and also to survive from the extreme climatic conditions. They migrate from one place to another. One reason is for breeding and the next one is to protect themselves from the climate changes. Next question. What are omnivores? Give two examples. What are omnivores? Omnivores are animals which eat both plants and animals. And we already discussed the examples, which are they, bear and crow. Next question. What is meant by molting? What is molting? Do you remember that we have studied about molting? In which topic? In the topic body coverings, we discussed about molting. What is molting? It is the shedding of skin by the snakes. The shedding of skin by the snakes is called molting. It is for developing new skin. Okay, so they shed their old skin and new skin grows in that place and that process is called molting. Next, long answer questions. How does a polar bear survive in polar regions? I'll give you two adaptations. One is they have a thick fur. The thick fur helps them to protect their body from the cold condition and they have a thick layer of skin. They have a thick layer of skin which contains a lot of fat. A lot of fat is deposited under that thick skin which help it to survive in the cold climate. What is camouflage? How does it help the animals? What is camouflage? Camouflage is the merging of an organism with the surrounding. The merging of an organism with the environment is called a camouflage. And how does it help the animals? It helps the animals to protect them from their enemies and also it helps the animals to catch their prey. It helps them to protect them from the enemies and also to protect them from to capture their prey. So this is about the textbook exercises and I have already given you an activity. You have to complete that activity also. The activity is to paste or draw a picture of a herbivore, a carnivore and an omnivore and also to write about the feeding habit, their habitat and also their special features. So you have to complete the science assignment at the back side of your notebook and you have to submit it to me. Okay. So we have completed the chapter. We have completed the textbook exercise also. Please go through the lesson. Read the textbook once again. Go through the exercises and study everything. Okay. So we will start the new chapter in the next class. Thank you dears. Have a nice day.